the first touch you make as you go into your space. And what keeps your space safe from intruders? A door lock. There is a door lock in every place we move. As it gives the first impression of a place, it should be attractive, smart, and convenient. And most of all, safe. This is the technology for your convenience that Build One perfects. Build One is a company that provides home IoT-based smart door locks and video phones. Let's give you a look at our products. BO-DP9000FSK. The cutting-edge technology and convenience of Build One are all contained in this push-pull type smart door lock with an innovative design. The push-pull type opens when you push from outside and pull from inside, or pull from outside and push from inside. The main feature of this product is the push-pull switch method patented by Build One, which automatically locks the door as it closes. The built-in temperature sensor automatically sounds an alarm and opens the door in case of fire to facilitate a quick escape in case of an emergency. The anti-panic system allows to open doors easily in such situations. Build One has utilized passwords, emergency keys, RF cards, voice guidance, and fingerprint biometrics technologies. Our products are being used in many countries, customized to various types of housing. Key products integrated with handles are also smart products equipped with all functions. There are mainly two types of designs reflecting different requirements by customers in various countries. There is the classic design that goes together with existing housing types, and the solid modern design that fits people's needs in busy and sophisticated cities. The products without handles are also equipped with fingerprint recognition, which is the superior class biometrics. An emergency key enables manual opening of the door. The products with simple and convenient functions are the outcome of Build One's efforts to meet the needs of the customers. The premium digital hotel lock with increased security and customer satisfaction provide greater convenience for hotels in managing guest rooms through their management program linkage, in addition to their refined designs. A video phone has a 7-inch full-color LCD that displays clear images of the visitors and call quality, as well as attractive interior decoration. It can also open the door by connecting to the smart door lock. Build One has 20 years of experience with accumulated patents and technology. Build One will be there for you to make your home a smart place, a warm and safe place. Build One, Company Limited.